All right, everybody, this is going to be a little bit shorter. This is going to focus on claims based on evidence. So, you should have a claim right now. You should have evaluated other claims in your text. So, your large claim for the entire text based on the prompt, and then the other claims that are going to support it. So, what we want to think about for claims, because this is an argumentative essay, is that they should include words like should or must. They're almost instructional because you're trying to convince somebody of something by arguing a position. So, we're going to do a quick exercise and then jump back into our essay. So, we are reading this. Actually, yeah, we're going to read this and then take out these two quotes. You might have already read it. If you've already read it, you can just focus on these quotes. So every day in the Ivory Coast, as well as Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, 300,000 children are forced to pick cacao beans that will be sold to big chocolate companies like Nestle and Cargill. And then you have your other quote right here. So you're going to look at those two quotes. Is there a change that you would like to see in the way cacao beans are harvested? Write a claim about the change you would like to see based on the evidence in these quotes. So your evidence right here should be directing or guiding the claim that you write. So you would write something along the lines of the change that should happen is, because all you're doing is restating and then adding the word should or must. And then when you go to the second part, you're going to do the same exercise, read these two pieces of evidence, and then add a claim that would be supported by the evidence. After that, you need to make sure you go back to your essay and you're going to take a look at the idea of your audience and your claim. So make sure that your audience is able to receive your claim, or another way to think about it is your claim is appropriate for your audience. And then after you identify who your audience is, write down your audience, make sure you have your claim, have your reason and your evidence. And then think about what you want your audience to do based on that claim. So, what you are adding to your essay is the next step. So, you have your evidence, reason, and now what is the suggestion? What is the thing that your audience should do based on your argument? Do they need to change something about their behavior? Do they need to change something about their viewing, shopping habits, something like that? Okay, based on what you were saying in your claim. Highlight that in purple.